how to cancel your CapCut Pro subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel CapCut Pro subscription easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first you need to check where you have bought the Pro plan. So here the platform matters because cancellation happens through the platform and not always inside the app. And here are the few common ones. First is Google Play Store, second is Apple App Store or the CapCut website or direct web portal subscription. So here, if you are subscribed on Android, then you simply have to open the Google Play Store and there you simply have to tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on payment and subscription. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on subscription and find the CapCut or the CapCut Pro in the list. And there you simply have to tap cancel subscription and follow the prompts. And after cancellation, you'll still have Pro feature until the end of your current billing period, but you won't be charged again. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your CapCut Pro subscription in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.